This is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be trying our luck with the Starlight Lucky Chess. So I just want to advise you that you may get lucky and get the Starlight card in less than 300 draws, which will earn you a savings in diamonds. Or if you're unlucky, you can spend 500 up to 500 diamonds and still before you get a Starlight. So hope we are lucky in this account. So let's try two first. Oh, we got lucky already. Actually, we got it on the first draw. So even if I use just one, we will get the star. Anyways, that's it guys. We're so lucky to get it in 20 diamonds. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.